Hey YouTube, Phil Ebner here, and we have just launched the new Photography Masterclass. This is our flagship course taken by over 150,000 students that we've rebuilt and redone from scratch, learning from our students how we can make it even better. I'm gonna run the promo video for this course so you learn everything you get once you enroll. As always, we include a discounted link below in the description, so if you want to enroll right now and get over 20 hours of amazing tutorials, click that button and get instant access. We'll see you in class. Do you want to take amazing photos?
This is the Photography Masterclass, your complete guide to photography.
It's the only class you'll need to learn how to take better photos, become comfortable using your camera, edit photos like a pro, and even earn money with your photography skills.
Tens of thousands of students took the original Photography Masterclass, and we took their feedback to create this brand new course from scratch.
With more live demonstrations, more advanced topics, more competitions and activities, we know you'll love this course.
And if you don't, just let us know how we can make it better, and we'll do it for you.
No matter what type of camera you use, DSLR, mirrorless, smartphone, or point and shoot,
or where you are in your photography journey, absolute beginner with your first camera, or seasoned veteran looking to update your skills, you will be taking better photos by the end of this course.
All of the photos you've seen in this video are shot by our students, using techniques learned in this class. Some have gone on to win photography competitions, and others have become professional photographers after taking our course.
For most of our students, the goal is just to take photos they're proud of, to impress their friends and family, and to feel confident as a photographer. We'll help you do that too.
You'll learn it all here: exposure, composition, lighting, settings, what equipment to buy, mobile photography, editing, not just in one application, but your choice of the most popular photo editors that photographers use, how to share your photos online and grow your social media accounts, how to start a business or sell stock photography, and so much more.
Learn different styles of photography such as portraits, landscape and wildlife, street and architecture, low light, night and long exposure, event and wedding, sports and action, and macro photography.
We've even added complete sections on product and aerial photography.
Seriously, it's all in this course.
With 3 instructors, you'll get premium support if you ever get stuck along the way.
We're so confident that you'll enjoy this course that we back it with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee.
So if you're ready to take better photos, enroll now, and we'll see you inside the class.